next up is this gorgeous Peterson art furniture desk. I found this as I was looking for something else. It was kind of stuffed away in the back of their garage, but I'm so excited to bring this back to my shop and get started. So here's a little more of an up close look at these handles, all wood. But look at this top. Yikes. Yikes. The sides. So pretty. Such a cool desk. Well, I'm going to have to do a little bit of repair. It's missing this bottom section right here. I do have this stuff right here actually. I'm going to have to cut it the other way. It'll fit right in there. Okay, now, let's see. Perfect. So you might be asking why I didn't strip this first. Let me just say, sometimes sanding is the best way to go. This was coming off so easy, so I just used a 120 grit and was able to sand it down pretty easily. All right, let's go back a second. Remember the top. Well, when I first got it, sometimes you just aren't sure what you got until you look what's underneath. That's when I found that this was a Formica top. So the next best option in my mind was to order a self-adhesive piece of veneer. So we're going to give that a try and hopefully it'll turn out. All right, now let's refinish this veneer top. Right here I'm using some Minwax teak oil. You don't necessarily need to use teak oil, but I really wanted this type of finish. So we're gonna try it and see what it looks like compared to the rest of the piece. As you can tell, the top is not quite as dark as the rest of it, so I'm going to try possibly to use some toner to even that out. We'll see. My first time using toner, but I'm going to do a little tester first. Okay. That was a success. Actually, I'm pretty happy with it. It's drying right now. As you can see, matches a little better. Look at that. Perfect. All right. Never be afraid to try something new because you can always start over. All right, the last step, and maybe my favorite, is to put on the General Finishes Armor Seal.